And Schultz. Pass goes across the rink. Purcell carries in, makes a nice pass. He shoots, and the save made by Varlamov. The loose puck right there in the slot. Oilers didn't see it. Avs got it. Heaton gives it back to him. And the long shot by Gazdic off the chest of Varlamov. The puck comes free. Pass back to the point. Held in. Tipped in net. Save. Rebound. And it's batted up in the air. And finally whacked to center ice. Last week to Schultz. Pass through the middle. Carried in by Nugent-Hopkins. Dropped it. Shot made by Pouliot. And the rebound comes all the way out into the neutral zone. Chip back in. He has had some big games against the Avalanche, including a hat trick last year against Colorado. Like he did, 22 points in 18 games. Pass the slot. Score! How about that? Brandon Davidson just called up, and he gets his first point, and it's a goal. And the Edmonton Oilers lead the game 1-0.
And Mike, from where we sit, you can see that play developing. You saw the defenseman Davidson on the far side. He reads it perfectly. The Avalanche watching the puck. The puck goes down low, and Davidson beats his man to that scoring area. Beautiful pass, but good hard work. And if you're the coaching staff for the Edmonton Oilers, you like it. The kid comes in, gets his opportunity. Games in 6 nights, and that you and I both know that's a long travel after the game through customs from Vancouver all the way back. You don't get home until 4 in the morning, but Buffalo really kept coming.
Davidson shot, and the save made by Varlamov. Earlier in this period, I mentioned who scored it, but this line, well, they're moving the puck around, and this is talked about how they're trying to balance some things with Edmonton. Here's a chance, and a backhand try down low by Lander goes wide.
How does Pouliot play with Nugent-Hopkins? Is he a good fit? And to this point, he's been a very good fit on that line.
Laurentian makes the pass over the line, dropped it. Fraser shoots, the save made by Varlamov. The loose puck. Pass to the corner for Nick Holden. 1-0 for Edmonton. Shot by O'Reilly, head high, caught by Bachman. Down the ice into the Avs zone to Ginla. Pass to center ice. Brought in by Duchesne. Puts the brakes on. Pass down the slot. Just slipped away from McGinn. There's a chance in the save by Bachman. Picked up and carried out to center. Back behind the net. Swung around. Hall makes the pass, but got away from Miller. Back to center. Avs have got it. Here's a chance for Cleese. He shoots, and Bachman makes the save.
You can't go through 10-game stretches where you're not, you go 1-8-1. It's so hard to catch up.
And game one, fires, tip shot, score! Ryan O'Reilly! And this game is tied up at 1 as O'Reilly continues his hot streak. That is now a career high 8 games in a row with a point, and he has just knotted up this game at 1.
Well, when you're watching this, watch the patience right here. Tanguay walks in, unloads, rebound, drive to the net. And again, what O'Reilly does there, Mike, is it's so perfect. He goes to the outside, he drops the puck, and instead of just floating into the corner, what is he doing? He's driving to the front of the net.
Again, he shoots, has blocked. And Miller puts the puck to center ice for Edmonton. Squeezed ahead to Hall. He's got the puck, got a man coming down the slide. Here's a chance, and the sliding block into the corner. Lander back to the point.
Coming along with the points that he's been picking up.
I just find it so interesting that you change your game. Centering try for Roy, and the save made by Varlamov. Last year led the team with 28 goals. Laurentian gave it back to Yakupov. O'Reilly took away the puck. Didn't get it out of the zone. Yakupov threw it across. Shot, and that was gloved by Varlamov. Threw it across, back to the corner for Taylor Hall. To the point. Shot by Lander, save made. Another kick save by Varlamov. Played up the wing, back to the point again for Schultz. Some long shifts in the Avalanche zone, but Varlamov doing what we've seen him do all season. Make those big saves behind the net. Landeskog will get to it for Colorado. He gives to Tyson Barrie. Lots of room to skate. He gets in and gets free. He shoots, and a save by Bachman. He's in, and Tatum with a big hip check on Taylor Hall. center. Penalty on Klinkhammer. Pass. O'Reilly. Fire! Saved by Bachman. Pass over towards Landeskog. Back towards the point for Barrie. Put off the glass. Pass to center for O'Reilly. Throws to the boards. Pass ends up going on net. And it is stopped by Bachman. Talk to Nick Holden. He gets a lot of credit to being able to play with Stewart. Avalanche on the move. Tanguay. Shot to the net. Tipped on goal. And it was just sitting there at the post. Back to the point. Shot by Barrie. Knocked down. Shot whistled wide by Iginla. The puck to Teddy Purcell. Off the boards to center ice. Get it. The man right on him. Stolen away. Back in and score! Justin Schultz, the defenseman, gets to the puck and gives the Oilers a 2-1 lead.
Let's take it all the way back. And like, this is one of those ones where the puck is taking a funny bounce and Ginnon couldn't quite get hold of it. The puck is dumped out of the zone, and Schultz, the defenseman, does a terrific job, but you saw the puck was just bouncing, and Ginnon could never quite catch up to it. And it's one of those things, Mike, what is Schultz doing there? Well, he was just sort of following the play, jumped up, saw the puck go down, and made a real nice job of jumping in and getting that puck past Semyon Varlamov.
Makes the bounce just inside the blue line. Stewart smacks the puck the other way, and the Avalanche get in over the line. Landeskog trailing shot, saved by Bachman. Rebound shot, chipped high. Back around by Yakupov. Leads Roy over the line. Holding. Keeps him away from the puck. In fact, knocks him down. Yakupov in the slot. Ollie down low, shot. And the scramble for the puck. It's still free. Much closer to the Winnipeg Jets, who sit at 90 points. And the Avalanche, they can get 2, that would give them 84. Both teams would have played 76 games. Shot by Roy, save made by Varlamov.
Like, you know about Jerome Ginnon, sometimes you'll bring in a veteran player that has a great resume, and sometimes you're disappointed by maybe, he's not quite what you want.
There's a chance in front. And that one smacked away. 17 minutes still to go in this third period. 2-1 Edmonton. Here's a chance. Caron backhander. Save made by Bachman. And he loves it. Mitchell currently on a 2-game goal scoring streak for the Avalanche. Everberg slips away. Gets the puck back. Coming in. Threw it out in front. And it's off the Bachman, the goaltender. Varlamov scooped it around. 12 minutes left to go in the third. Steal by Yakupov. He shoots the save, and the puck smacked to the corner. Iginla gets to it, picked it up the boards. Hall makes the steal, handoff to Lander. Cutting in, he shoots the save. Rebound, picked up and buried in the corner by Taylor Hall. Down the boards and behind the net for O'Reilly. He's got Landeskog wide open in front, but a little tip. That was Nugent Hopkins. You got to stick on it. Purcell cutting in. Purcell shoots, and Varlamov makes the save. Pass. Roy got it back. Up off the boards for Purcell. 2-on-1. Yakupov with him. Roy shoots, and it hit the post. It did not go in. Did not go in. Being deflected. The Kings pass to center ice. Carried in by Hall. Barrie is back. Hall still with the puck. Hall backhands it to the point. Shot. And save made by Varlamov. Coming in. Poke check though. Into the corner for Hitchin. He gives it to Mitchell. Redmond open in front. Redmond shoots. Saved by Bachman. Turned up the boards. Blocked. And it's carried up ice by Pouliot. On the move. Pass across for Eberle. He cuts right in. Pass and missed. There was the chance for the Oilers. That could have been it. Varlamov on the bench. And a face-off controlled by the Oilers going for the empty net. It is in. And that will count. Wow. A win on the face-off by the Oilers. And what a chance there, Peter, because They're not short-handed, so
No.
you missed that. That's an icing call.
Did you see what
That's a
happened?
gutty move there.
It bounced straight up. I thought for a second they were going to get the break of all times. It's right on, and then it bounced. That went top shelf. That would have been an extraordinary tough one for a goaltender.
To Hall, pass of Bice. Miller looking at that empty net, makes a nice pass, and Hall shoots it into the empty net. That is 2 empty net goals for the Edmonton Oilers, and they now lead this game 4-1. And almost in a span, unless the Avs can pull off a miracle here, in a span of a week time, the Edmonton Oilers, Peter, have crushed. And this one is over. Score not indicative of how close this game was. 4-1 final.